Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this really beautiful wall art using items that I purchased mostly from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, just keep watching. For this project, I used 2 of the 11 by 14 picture frames, 4 of the 8 by 10 frames, some of the silver metallic mini spoons, these 3-inch mirrors that I purchased from Michael's for $1 with my coupon, some spray paint. I chose the Rust-Oleum silver metallic spray, my E6000, glue gun, and glue sticks. I have the complete list of what I use down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove all of the contents from all of my frames. I also removed the black tabs from those frames. Once I was done, I took those frames outside to a well-ventilated area and gave them a good coat of my spray paint. While those dried, I separated the handles from my spoons. I only used the handles for this project. Once my frames were dry, starting with my 11 by 14, I used my E6000 to attach the glass back to both of those frames. I then removed the tabs from my 3-inch round mirror, and I used my E6000 to glue that mirror to the center of my 11 by 14 frame. I then arranged some of those spoon handles around the 3-inch mirror, determining how I wanted to design my wall art. Once I was happy with my initial design, I used my strong adhesive to attach those spoon handles directly to the glass. I repeated those steps to add additional handles to my design. I didn't start the project with a certain image in mind. I simply just added the handles, and when I was happy with what I was seeing, I glued them down and continued just to see what I could come up with. I allowed my design to dry overnight, and then I cleaned up my mirror and any excess E6000. I was happy with my design, but thought there was too much spacing in the center, so I decided to add a second layer of the spoons to enhance my design. While that second layer of spoons dried, I started on my 8 by 10 frames. I repeated the same steps by removing the tabs from the 3-inch mirror, using my E6000 to attach that mirror to the center of the 8 by 10 glass, and then I added the handles around that 3-inch mirror to create my design. I had less room to work with on my 8 by 10, so I used a pair of scissors to cut additional portions of the spoon handles off so that I could have the spoon handles surrounding the entire 3-inch mirror. Once I was happy with the design for my 8 by 10 frames, I again used my strong adhesive to add the glass back to the frame, and I allowed that to dry. Once everything was dry, I cleaned all of my mirrors and my glass. I then used my strong adhesive to glue 2 of the frames together, one with the spoon handles and one without. Once they were dried, I had something that looked like this. I decided to finish the look by adding some wrap. I considered diamond wrap, but settled on using some of this glitter ribbon that I had left over from Christmas. I did notice a bit of fallout with this glitter ribbon, so I'll likely go back later and add a layer of Mod Podge on top of the glitter to prevent any additional fallout. To hang my wall art, I'm using some of these hanging hooks. I actually removed these from the back of some wooden plaques that I purchased from Dollar Tree some time ago. I simply used hot glue to attach those to the back of my frames, and I allowed those to dry. I think these turned out beautiful, and they were easy and inexpensive to make. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.